All right, some major Ethereum news. This is just going to be a quick video, but I want to make you aware of this because if you're in crypto, you're probably into Ethereum in some capacity. This is going to affect everybody. So listen up. Ethereum's Shanghai hard fork, which I'm going to tell you about what that is and why it's important, now has an official target date. So Ethereum developers agreed to April 12th for the long-awaited upgrade, which, listen to this, will enable staked ETH withdrawals. Once the date is confirmed by developers on GitHub, it's going to be set in stone. So Ethereum developers set that target date for April 12th. It's a long-awaited Shanghai hard fork during the all-core developers execution layer 157 call on Thursday. This Shanghai upgrade, more accurately called Shapella, marks the completion of Ethereum's full transition to a proof-of-stake network, and will finally enable staked ETH withdrawals. Once the date is voted on by developers and confirmed via GitHub, April 12th will be set in stone for the Shanghai upgrade. This means that Shanghai will be slightly delayed from the developer's initial target, which was this month of 2023, March. Now, when Ethereum transitioned to proof of stake consensus mechanism back in September of last year in an event known as the Merge, the network began using validators instead of miners. Validators had to stake 32 ETH in order to approve or add blocks to the blockchain. Before validators joined the Ethereum's proof of stake blockchain, they were made aware that their staked ETH and their rewards would remain locked up until Shanghai. Some validators have had their funds locked up since December of 2020, when Ethereum's proof of stake beacon chain went live. Now, those validators will finally be able to decide after April 12th what they want to do with their staked ETH. Since the merge, Ethereum developers have run numerous tests in order to ensure that staked Ethereum withdrawals would function properly. All three tests on Ethereum's testnets ran smoothly, though the last testnet hard fork on Gorelli experienced low participation rates because validator nodes did not upgrade in time. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here, because a lot of people think, oh my gosh, all of this ETH is becoming unstaked. People can just sell it then. But will they, right? Because Ethereum's down. We're not in a bull run. It'll be interesting. I think it'll be a mixed bag. I don't think everybody's going to sell it once when they're, staked ETH becomes unstaked. I don't. But we'll see. We'll be keeping tabs on it. This is an important date to watch, right? Again, so April 12th is that target date we'll be looking at. April 12th is the long-awaited Shanghai hard fork date for Ethereum developers. So we'll be keeping tabs on that. Appreciate you guys, as always. Wanted to bring you up to speed on this quick video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with a friend, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything we put out. We'll see you.